This is everything I ate flying from Dhaka to Hanoi. Our flight was at 3 a.m., so we were at the lounge really early, and this beef was the showstopper. It was so tender and so flavorful. I had many cups of cha, and I just wished they had fresh cha instead. Now, this soup, I wish they did not have it at all. Dessert was really good too, and on our first flight, they gave us chicken spaghetti for dinner, and what can I say? Thai Airways never disappoints. But I cannot say the same for this omelette, it was just bad. That's it, bye bye.